I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
Hi guys, it's our second day in the beach and we are heading for breakfast. And yes, it's one of our favorite restaurants here in the beach. The last time we went here, we really loved their food. I really love their food, so we're going back there. The name is Tyron, right? Tryon?
I don't remember exactly what the name is.
Yeah.
I was trying to remember.
You see my lipstick. It's not that too much. And the weather is so bright today. It's kinda warm though. I did not bring any of my like t-shirts or sleeveless, so I'm wearing this. I have the one that is because I was like concentrating going to the mountain, so most of my clothes is just t-shirts. I have some long sleeves. And I just realized we're going to the beach and the weather is kind of warm. Good thing that I have some swimsuit I brought.
I bought you a short sleeve t-shirt.
Oh yeah, I got a t-shirt yesterday from the Calabash restaurant. Oh no, Side Ducks.
Dockside.
Oh, duck side. Clear, right. I got it. So, I have some t-shirts. What is it?
Right,
It's sunny side up. It's not Tryon. Tryon doesn't show up.
I don't remember that being the name.
Toe turn side up. They have Charles. Where's Charles? They're always doing like this. We are in Hard Rock. I like that Hard Rock thing. It's like I'm in New York. There. Mag-breakfast and now we are heading to Tanger Outlet here in Myrtle Beach. So we are here, Tanger Outlet. I think Charles needs some like shirts because he forgot to bring his shirt. Oh, he didn't really bring his shirt because he needs to buy some. Outlet, Wrangler, and then Vanity Fair, Lee, Jansport, Old Navy. There's Old Navy there. It's very wide. Wow.
This is the only place have ever been where
Very close to you.
every time I buy something, it's always less than what they have in the back.
Trolls. Oh, there are more here. Oh, it says here. Fitting room. It says. It's right there. Ang daming sale, guys. Ayan, $13.99. Waitress. Oh, this is colorful. Mrs. This is so cute. This is so nice and pretty. This is my favorite color. Where is that big chair before? It's not here anymore. The big chair last December. Okay. Someone is complaining. What did you say? People don't want your picture. No, they do. No. They don't want me to put your picture here. It's going to be there. You find one?
Oh,
kami guys mag-shopping. Vanity Fair and Nautica right there. Charles is happy. Happy, are you happy? Yeah, because he doesn't have swimsuit and then his pants is getting what they call it. He needs a new pants and a swimwear. Just finished the outlet shopping, guys, and Charles already got what he needs. Look at the car, it's so pretty.
What?
There.
What car?
There.
Oh, the Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
The Mustang convertible.
Yeah. Are you happy now, sweetheart?
Yeah.
And anyway, we are home, guys. We went to Tanger outlet as well. We bought some stuff for Charles. So I am going to make some haul. But it's not mine. It's Charles' haul from Tanger outlet. But I got this yesterday. This is what I got yesterday. This is from Dockside, Calabash, North Carolina, when we eat the seafood yesterday. So it looks so nice. There. And here. I love t-shirts. There you go. And then today Charles got this is from a Vanity Fair. Charles bought 2 pants here.
VF Corporation owns the Lee and the Wrangler brands.
What?
VF, Vanity Fair Corporation, owns Lee and Wrangler.
Okay, so Charles got this Lee. I just don't wanna show you the size. Charles will not be happy showing me his size. So he got 2 Lee pants. Charles is so very picky in terms of like pants or shirts. If he finds something that he likes, he's going to buy the same thing over and over again. I mean, we just want one style, but different color.
You know,
like
when
that.
I find the Filipina I like, I stick with her. I don't go try to find any other Filipinas.
Yeah, just like if
So
he...
you better be glad that I'm like that.
Yeah, so he said if he finds a Filipina, he will going to stick with Filipina to see. So I got this too. They're all the same style, guys. I think he got like 5 of these. Just recently, I think a couple months ago, we bought the same thing, and every time we go to the store of Lee, and he's going to find the same things. Like, I need this. This is Extreme Motion regular fit boot cut. So it's Extreme Motion here, like this one there. So we got 2 of those, and then on the Nautica store, he got this shirt, white shirt. I choose this for him. I like white shirt, so he is not really fun about that. Like, there is a what do you call this one? It's like there's some kind of other design. He always wanted same like this, the plain one. And also I choose this one. I like the color. It's kind of like orange, but it's coral. I think it likes a dark coral or light coral, I don't know. So he loves the only polo shirt he likes is Nautica or Tommy Hilfiger, and also Polo Ralph Lauren. He likes it as well. It's only the brand he likes. And he also bought one. Oh, this is extra large. It looks smaller. Oh wow! It was a mistake. My goodness, he's not going to be very happy with this. He got the small size. It should be extra large. My God, he did not choose the right one. He just picked it up and then he put it in the cashier. And also he got this, the red shirt. Nautica, and then he got this, the blue shirt. So that I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry,
About what?
sorry. I think you got a mistake. You got the small instead of extra large. You got small instead of extra large. I don't know why you just pick it up. You didn't choose the size. The one I got, the red one is for the extra large, but this one is a small size.
Wow, I just got the wrong one.
We
I
can-
guess I picked it up to look at the colors and matching it, and then
Yeah.
I forgot to get the right size.
And you just check it like this.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, it's good. But Charles get the small size. It's very small. You can trace it, right?
Yeah.
Looks really nice. This one, and then it matches t-shirt. It matches with his swimwear short. So that's what we got, guys. Actually, I got this pants as well. I got this from Walmart. I'm having a hard time looking for my size, and I just found this in Walmart, this pants. So I just wear it today. And also I got this from Walmart as well, since I just find the right size for me. So I bought 2 pieces, and I got this as well. So this is my size. It's a size 6 extra petite, I think. Super skinny 6 petite. I thought it's like I'm size 0, but when I tried to wear size 0, they're always so very long. So Charles said I should get the petite size because they are shorter. And I'm size 6. I thought I'm 24 waist, but it's not. I'm 27. I have a very big waist. I've been gaining a lot of weight. So, yeah.